Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make Bob's Big Boy sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. If this is your first time joining us, so please do me a favor, go down to that corner down there and hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make Bob's Big Boy sauce. So let's head down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got a half a cup of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/8 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 of a teaspoon paprika, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's start mixing. All right, as always, big enough bowl for all your ingredients. We're going to take our mayonnaise, the relish. Everything is in the description box, the weights and measures and the ingredients. Our lemon juice, our onion powder, or paprika, however you want to say it, then our garlic powder, and I'm just gonna mix this up really well. I'm gonna use my little whip here because there are some lumps in those spices. So, well, we all know the iconic Bob's Big Boy statue with the little guy in the red checkered overalls holding up that hamburger. Back when I worked as my second job, working as a cook back in Oregon, won't say where in Oregon, we had a boss. I worked at Bob's Big Boy, and we had, for some reason, there was not a manager that they could get to work, so they brought somebody that was from another city in Oregon, from another Bob's Big Boy, and had him fill in for about a week, I think. Can't remember. The guy was a complete jerk. Everybody on the ship hated him. So what we did as a shift, all of the cooks, waitresses, dishwasher, I even took my dog, I think, and we drove up about 60 miles north, stole his Bob's Big Boy statue from in front of his building, and then brought it back and had it sitting in front of our building when he came to work that morning. And I'm sure he heard through the grapevine that their Bob's Big Boy statue was stolen. However, we were doing quite a bit of that back in the day. It was kind of a prank. Nobody really got in trouble for it. But that's just kind of a story I throw in there because Bob's Big Boy was one of the highlights of my career because we just had a heck of a crew working there. And we had really good times back then. So, a little story to go with the sauce. I'm going to show some shots of this for you to enjoy in the timeline with some music. There's another view of it right there. This is the sauce I remember making all the time when I was working there at Bob's Big Boy. So slap this on your burger or a sandwich, use it for French fries. It's awesome. I appreciate you watching. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, I appreciate you watching today. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to check out that description box on your way out. Not only does it contain the recipe for this show, but it also has a bunch of groovy links. I have a gourmet seasoning shop on Etsy and also have a cookbook on sale. Those links are down there. Don't forget to check out the playlists I've got down there for how to create a cooking show on YouTube, and also a playlist link for how to improve your channel and help it grow. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and then make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.